Hello guys. Welcome to WhatVwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find MAC address on iPhone. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. Tap on the Settings icon on your iPhone. Then you will find the iPhone settings. Scroll down a bit and there you will find the General option. Tap on it. Then it shows all the general settings option. Choose the About option by tapping on it. There, scroll a bit down to find the Wi-Fi address option. The address shown beside that option is your iPhone's MAC address. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.